Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here, and with the stock of the day, and actually there are a couple of them, but look at this IGMS. So this was an alert from the AI to short at 31.52. You can see the down arrow right there on this candle, and from there, other than a couple little areas right there where it tried to recover, it is now down to 25.77. But also as important, in my opinion, look at my 10-day daily breakdown scan, which I'm sharing. Look at them. I'm going to just show you, if I can, hopefully this doesn't, well, I'm going to show you their IGMS showed up at the same time, 31.52. Look at this one that I took twice, ALXO. Maybe I don't have my symbol linking, just give me a moment here. There we go. So ALXO, come on. There we go. So now this is not a down arrow. If it's on an AI alert, it's just going to be designated by an up arrow. That's where the alert happened. So even though this was for me a short opportunity, so look at this. I mean, look at this one all the way down. Even some cheap ones like XFOR, the same sort of thing. It came in at 250. I mean, it got down to 219, and then another cheap one, NISN, came in at, it hasn't moved that much, but came in at 430. This is all I'm saying. I mean, look at these. If you want these, it's a part of my layouts that I'm, or one of the scans that I am sharing. But all four, especially these two, the ALXO and the IGMS, fantastic alerts. And, obviously on a day the market's down, it didn't hurt that the market was down like it is. But, when I look at an ALXO though, even if the market had been up, this was making an all-time low. Anytime a stock for me is starting to make an all-time low, I've got to really pay attention to it. And so anyway, this is just fantastic alerts from that scan, and in particular the IGMS from the AI. All right, I want to get back into our trading room, and if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and I will open the room. I forgot to change it over the weekend at 8 o'clock, okay? 8 a.m., not 9 a.m. I'll get on the live on the mic at 9 a.m., but I open the room now at 8 a.m. and I go to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That should be I should make a big change here. They just put ET. All right, everybody. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.